Pokémon Go is turning 10, and instead of slowing down, it's evolving in a big way. Niantic has officially confirmed a major overhaul of the trainer battle system, and players are actually impressed. For years, battles have been plagued by lag, inconsistent damage timing, and frustrating disconnects. Now, the core battle system has been rebuilt from the ground up. Damage will now resolve at the end of turns instead of randomly mid-battle, reducing confusion and unfair losses caused by network issues. Swaps will resolve before damage is applied, meaning your strategic switch finally works the way you intended. Charged attack timing is now standardized, helping eliminate weird lag advantages and inconsistencies. Trainer battles will also continue even if one player briefly disconnects, with improved stability and more consistent animations. UI updates and clearer HP bar animations aim to make competitive play feel fair, readable, and skill-based. Players are cautiously optimistic, praising the unusually detailed developer update and improved transparency. If these changes deliver, this could mark a new era for competitive Pokémon Go battles. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.